Hi guys, I received this multifunctional work light for event purposes, and I think it's quite nice because first of all it comes with this USB Type-C charger, and it's very small, very compact, and very nice. You can change the angle where you wanna use the light on. This is very useful because you can use it in many kinds of scenarios. It comes with a powerful magnet, so you can hang your the light up on the roof, something like that. So you can just set it right here and use the angle and light something, or you can just screw it with a tripod here, or use this hook right here and secure it, right? So it's really easy to set up, and I like it because, well, first of all, it's rechargeable, so it uses this Type-C cable to charge. Here is a port, but you can also use a USB Type-A charger here to charge it, which is really convenient. If you don't have one at hand, you can change the color of the light, the intensity of the light. As you can see, it's very bright, it's very powerful. I like that a lot. It's very nice to have these kinds of floodlights around. As you can see, lights a very high space, and it's a very bright light. I'm gonna change the color of the one. It's very nice, very easy to use, and it also has these red like lights, which are very nice, like for security measures, and it has this steady on and also the strobing. So really practical, very easy to use. I really recommend it. It's a great product.